Hello and welcome to another episode of TravelChef. Today we are going to make egg fried rice, and this is a very simple recipe which is having egg and vegetables that helps to improve the taste of this fried rice.
We are going to make restaurant style fried rice.
Yes. So let's see how to make it. So come on. We have taken 500 grams of basmati rice, which we will need to soak it for 30 minutes. It is more than 30 minutes now, and the next step is to wash the rice 3 times, and we have placed it in a strainer for all the water to drip away. Now for cooking the rice, we need to boil water, where we are going to place our rice into it. So let's wait till the water gets hot so that we can drop in the strained rice. Now the water is boiling and we need to place the strained rice into the water. This will help it to cook. The cooking time varies for each brand of basmati rice. Now the rice is boiling and we need to check whether it is cooked. This we can do by checking by taking an individual rice and checking whether it is cooked. Now the rice is almost 3/4 cooked. We don't fully cook the rice because they will get broken as we mix the vegetables and the egg along with the fried rice. Now we have placed the rice into the strainer to separate the water from the rice, and we need to let it cool. Now we have kept the rice for cooling. So the reason why we are cooling this rice is just to avoid it to become sticky. So we keep stirring it a bit. Now as we wait for our rice to cool, now we need to keep our ingredients ready. So now we have chopped our vegetables. Here we have used 150 grams of cabbage, 100 grams of beans that we have chopped, 150 grams of carrot which is also chopped, 150 grams of capsicum. Then we have used 50 grams of onions. We also can use onion leeks instead of onions, but we have used onions at this point of time. And then we use a little of coriander leaves that we used as garnishing. And we have also kept 3 eggs which we need to scramble because this is an egg fried rice. We have taken 10 pods of garlic that we have peeled and chopped, 100 grams of green peas, half a teaspoon of pepper powder which will be used to make the fried rice and to give a little spicy taste, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. This is because we are making our restaurant style fried rice. Final ingredient is 2 teaspoons of salt, which we need to add as taste. Now we need to beat the 3 eggs that we have broken. Now we are placing a tawa onto a stove where we need to scramble our eggs that we have beaten right now. As the tawa is heated, we need to pour some vegetable oil. We are pouring our beaten eggs into the pan. We spread the oil a bit before pouring the beaten eggs. Now our scrambled eggs is ready and we need to keep it aside. Now we need to take a clean kadai. We have to light a stove. Now we have poured 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we need to wait for the oil to get heated. Also the stove is placed on high flame. The first step is to add the garlic which you have chopped. We need to slightly stir the garlic. The next step is to add the See, as we add the ingredients, we need to continuously stir them. The next is to add the carrots. The next we add the beans. The next is to add the onions that we have chopped. We have to continuously stir until the vegetables are soft. We need to add the salt, where we have added 2 teaspoons. We need to add the capsicum. The final vegetable to be added is the chopped cabbage. Now our vegetables are semi-cooked, and then we will add the coriander that we have chopped and a half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now our vegetables are cooked. We have transferred the contents or the ingredients into a bigger vessel to make a fried rice. Now we are pouring 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, next we pour 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, we add the rice that is cooled by now. Now we add the rice in small quantities, which would help us to mix the masala of vegetables along with the rice. This was done not to break the rice. Now we have added the rice in small quantities just to mix it easily with the vegetables. And the final ingredient to be added is the eggs. Please ensure there is no white portions in the rice, and we need to mix it well. And now our fried rice is ready. We need to switch it off and then take it off the stove. Now our egg fried rice is ready to be served. We request you to try out a recipe and let us know in the comment section below, how did it come out? We hope you liked watching our videos, and we request you to like and subscribe to our channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications regarding our videos. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.